Hello, the song we're going to do today is about a bird, a butterfly and a bumblebee. I've got a puppet bird, butterfly and bumblebee, but you can make your own. I've got a picture of a bird and a butterfly and a bumblebee. And this is a song about all these creatures visiting and flying through a window. Here's my window. You could make one too, perhaps out of a piece of paper or some card, and then you could have your own pictures, like mine, of your bird, butterfly and buzzy bee. So this is Little Bird. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window and buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and buy molasses candy. Here comes the butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly, fly through my window. Butterfly, butterfly, fly through my window. Butterfly, butterfly, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and buy molasses candy. Where's the bee? Bzz, 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 bzz. Here he comes. Bzz. Buzzy bee, fly through my window. Buzzy bee, fly through my window. Buzzy bee, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and buy molasses candy. Perhaps you could have a go at making a window, and a buzzy bee, and a butterfly, and a little bird. Then you could sing the song with your window. You might need one of your family members to help you to make the window. You might want to make a bigger window. That's fine. You might want to make a window that's not square like mine. Might be a round window or a triangular window. You can have fun doing lots of shapes. Enjoy making your window. Enjoy singing the song. Bye.